Alright, so in this quick video we are just gonna tidy up some code and actually just be able to like fix some small things, and then also go in and create the routes we need. So first of all, we have a route with toggling followers, but we also want the opportunity to basically go in and check how many followers and what followers a user would have. So we can go in here and basically say route get then followers, and then we can pass in ID here, and then we can go in and say social follow controller add followers, and then we also want to go in and check if they're following each other. In that case, we can just go in and say followers is following ID then we can go in and say social follow controller add and another thing we just want to change in here, which is a quick thing. We can just change this to the wrong use ID. This error should not happen because we shouldn't be able to fetch the wrong ID for some reason for the database, but in the scenario that, for example, you click the follow button and someone click delete user in the same time, that could be a possible scenario if it doesn't update. So that is why we do this, just to be able to like give a message here. So if someone deletes their account at the same time clicking follow, then it would obviously say we couldn't find the ID or you're not following each other. And that's all for this video. So what we're gonna do in the next video is we're gonna test these 3 functions and see if they work perfectly fine. And after that, we are gonna go on to the light controller, which is gonna be one of the last, if not the last, part of the back end of this tutorial, and then we're gonna go through all the way to the front end. We're also gonna tidy up some things in case of doing the API on the front end and that stuff before we get into developing the front end, and we are gonna use a framework there. If the sound is a bit worse this week, it's because I'm on holidays, so I really I'm sorry for that if that's the case. See you in the next video. Click the like button if you like the video and hit the subscribe button.